First, let us deal with if statement. Let me open the notepad and public class test, and I'm opening curly braces, public static void main string arguments. And first, let me initialize a variable a with a value 18. Then if inside brackets a equal to 18, which means if a is equal to 18, then we can print you are eligible. Yes, that's it. And we can run this program. Let me save this as test.java in the desktop, and let me open a command prompt. Now we can run this program like cd space desktop. Since we have stored it in desktop, java c space test.java java space test. Yes, you are eligible. Since we have a value is 18, we got the output like you are eligible. I have changed the value a, and then I'm again running the program java c space test.java java space test. Since the a value is not equal to 18, it doesn't print any value and it just ends the program. Yes, this is a simple if statement in Java. Now we are going to deal with if else statement. I have just changed the a value as 12, and if statement I have given like a is greater than 18. If a is greater than 18, we can print you are eligible, else we can print you are not eligible. In the bracket between else statement, I have print that you are not eligible. And now let me run the program and see what's the output. Since a is equal to 12, we can expect the output as you are not eligible. Java space test, and you are not eligible. Since a is equal to 12, we got a output like you are not eligible. And now I changed the a value as 19, which is greater than 18. Now we can check what's the output is. Java c space test dot java and java space test. You are eligible. Yes, we got the output for if else statement also. Now we can see a nested if statement. I have the if statement as it is, and I can change the a value as 18. And in the if statement, if a equal to 18 means you are eligible. I'm going to print you are eligible. Else, if a is greater than 18 means I'm going to print you are not eligible. No. If a is greater than 18 means we can print like you are perfectly eligible. If a is equal to 18 means you are eligible. If a is greater than 18 means you are perfectly eligible. Else, in the else block, I'm going to just print you are not eligible. So here we have three conditions. If a is greater than 18 means it will print one statement. If a is equal to 18 means it will print one statement. If none of the condition is true, it will print you are not eligible. Let me check the output. Since a is 18, we can expect the output as you are eligible. Yes, we got the output as you are eligible. Let me change the value a is equal to 19, and we can expect the output as you are perfectly eligible. Let me check the output. Java c space test.java java space test. You are perfectly eligible since the value is 19. And we can change a is equal to 9, and let me check the output. Java c space test.java. We can expect the output like you are not eligible. Yes, we got the output as expected. So now we can go with the switch statement. I have initialized, I'm going to initialize a variable as 24 and switch inside I have given a value a. If a is equal to 24 means, it means switch a case 18 system.out.println you are 18. Which means case is a default one. It is a syntax, and 18 means is a value, a value. If a value is 18, we're going to print something, and if a value is 24, we're going to print something like that it means. And we need to end every statement with a break. And default I'm going to just print you are not in the list. Yes, now we can close the three braces and check the output. Since a is equal to 24, we can expect the output 24, but we can check we got a perfect output or not. Yes, Java C space test dot Java and Java say space test. We got like you are 24, you are 35. Since we have not included break statement is in case 24, we got two output. Like it doesn't end that statement and continues with the next statement also. So break statement is necessary. Now again we can check the output with the break statement. And for running Java space test, you are 24. Yes, we got the output. Now we can change the A value again, 18. Now we can expect the output like you are 18. Java C space test dot Java. Java space test. You are 18. Yes. Now we can give in some other value which is not in the list and check what happens. Yes, Java. Sorry. Yes, Java C space test dot Java and Java space test. Yeah, you're not in the list. The default statement have been printed.